Hey guys, it's Ron the Physicist. Do you know what a Rubens flame tube is? Well, it's a tube. Well, it's like a tube and it has fire coming out of it, but it's also a speaker. So when different pitches and frequencies and different music is played or sounds, the flames vary depending on the frequency and the volume and things like that. And I will link a video in the description below where you can see a real life one, which is really, really cool, and it explains it too. But I want to show you something that I made. I made it a while ago, when school was still a thing. Yeah. And I put a piece of paper over a speaker, and I put paprika on. And then I played a song, which I tried to pick a song where it had a bunch of different volumes, and so you could see how the sound waves affect the paprika. You could see it bouncing. And I will just show you that video. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. I sure did. Now, stay safe, stay inside, wash your hands, don't touch your face, all that good stuff. We will get through this, and soon we will be back in school, okay?